This video will demonstrate how to install a Strongbox 4D or 8D battery box. To install this type of battery box, you will need the following: battery box, hold-down kit, pencil, hammer, drill, 3/16" pilot bit, 3/8" drill bit, wrench, and socket wrench. First, decide on the best location for the battery box. Weight distribution and obstructions under the mounting area are things to consider before deciding on location. Mark where you will secure the battery box. Use one of Quick Cable's hold-down kits to secure the box to the mounting surface. In this video, we will show both hold-down kits in use. Drill a 3/16" pilot hole for lag bolt installation, or drill a 3/8" hole to be used with the 5/16" bolt. Either installation method will provide a safe and secure mounted box. Position the battery box and secure the bolts into place. It's that quick and easy. Removing the Strongbox is even easier. Just remove 2 of the bolts, loosen the other 2, and remove. To remove lid, simply twist the thumb screws until you can pull the lid off. Apply these instructions to the Strongbox dual 6-volt battery boxes as well. For more videos on the Strongbox battery box line, visit quickhowto.com.